Hi, boys and girls. Here for Thursday's lesson on power words and S-blends. And then next week, we're going to review all the power words I've introduced so far and do a review. So here we go. These are the words that I taught you last week. Under, U-N-D-E-R. How, H-O-W, how. Now, N-O-W, now. When, W-H-E-N, when. Them, T-H-E-M, them. Take, T-A-K-E, take. And these are the ones we've learned so far. We have the word then, from, jump, eat, not, does, make, many, some, animal, new, by, these, got, give, to, out, and goes. So remember all the activities that I said we could do with Connect 4, hopscotch, the parking lot game, and the build a tower. So for today, and tic-tac-toe, can't forget tic-tac-toe. So for today's activity for power words, it says reading road trip. So you're going to need 2 players and a die. And you can use the one that you got from the toolkit that you use for math. So for 2 players, so you need yourself and a sibling or an adult. It says roll a die. Move that number of spaces on the game board. Read the word. Keep rolling and reading until you reach the beach. So you have the words, and then some spots you'll see it says you get +1. You have a full tank of gas. So then you would just, if you land on that, so you would just keep going until you get to the end. There's a spot down there, it says you took a wrong turn. You have to go back. So it gives you a road to go back to the word from. So that's just a little fun activity that you could play with a parent or a sibling. So now we're going to work on some S-blends. So on Tuesday, I introduced you to SN or SN like snake, SC, sk like scooter, SM like small, and SK saying sk like skate. So today we're going to learn 3 more. We have SP saying sp like spin. ST says st like stop. And SW says sw like swim. So remember, if we were to use, let's start with SW first. We have SW, and that says swa, and we put IM at the end. We join those together for swim. And then another one we can do for SW, and ITCH is switch. And then if we have SW and we put AT, we have SWAT. So remember, SW says swa, and you at the end you blend your word together. So let's take a look at ST. If we put ST at the beginning, that says st, and OP at the end, that says st, stop. We have ST again, and at the end I'm going to have AMP. So that's st and amp. Together I have stamp. And then if I have ST and ICK, I have st and ick. Together that makes stick. And then the last one that we'll work on is SP. SP says sp. So if I have SP and I have OT at the end, SP says sp, ot, and OT says ot, I have spot. And then I have SP and IN. I have sp and in for spin. And then the last one I'm going to do is SP. And then I'm going to have EAK. So I have spa and eek. That makes speak. So for today's worksheet, you're going to put your name. And it says, look at the picture and say the word. Color the beginning S blend of each word. So this, we have a word bank at the bottom. So we have switch, scarf, sparkle, speak, spice, snail, sky, and swim. So this picture is the girl. She's got a microphone and she's speaking into the microphone. So sp, eek, sp, sp. So you would color SP. And then you have scarf, and this is a diamond, or it's a gem, and it's got these little marks right here on it. That means it's sparkling, so it's sparkle, sp, sp. So then you could just color that in. And then we have snail, swim, spice, sky, and switch. And as you fill in the box, you can cross out the word. So if that's speak, I'd cross out speak. For sparkle, I'd cross out sparkle. That way it helps you to figure out the pictures. So that's for today. And then I've also given you some stuff to do on Friday for extra practice. So I'll just explain it real quick. It says say it, blend it, dab it. So you have to touch and say. So you go sk, and then you slide and blend sk. And then you have to, it says to dab, but you can color in the picture. So we have sleep, slide, and scooter. So SC says sk, and we know that sleep has SL, slide has SL, scooter, that has SC. So you would just take it and color in the circle. And then you do the same thing for SN, SP, ST, SM, and SL. And then for power word practice, I have the roll and race game again, but this time it has a mixture of the words that I've taught you so far, just to help you with that extra practice. All right, boys and girls, that's it. I'll see you guys next week.